5. I've seen people describe other people by using words from porn categories. That always seemed really weird to me. 6. If you watch at work or in public places. 7. There was a post on Reddit I saw about a woman who was having conflict with her husband because he was uncomfortable with the fact that their young daughter called him daddy. 8. I have to search for 20 minutes to find a video I haven't already seen. 9. You're triggered by step siblings, reaching in the dryer, dark leather couches, etc. 10. Wall-mounted lotion dispenser next to computer.